Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about what will be your preparation strategy for upcoming September 2021 foundation exam and October 2021 inter and final examination. What will be the strategy? What will the important points you need to consider to crack your September and October 2021 examination if you are giving foundation, inter or final. So I have noted down in front of me. I will read one by one and I will share with you all the strategies. If you follow, I can assure you that you can easily crack your examination. And if a single student, foundation, inter, or final facing any problem, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. If you are facing problem in any particular subject, each and everything, I can help you. So we are starting now. So what will be the best strategy? My suggestion to you, please understand the importance of past president CMA Balwinder Singh sir also said the same thing. And if you're talking about the recently qualified rank holder and CMA also, even though I am also qualified CMA or member of CMA Institute. So please understand the importance of past year paper. Okay, Institute website you will get the 2016 past year paper. CMA Balwinder Singh, our past president, also said the importance of past year paper. In Institute website you will get the past year paper. Okay, and also practice more and more mock test paper, model test paper, syllabus 2016 past year paper, MCQ booklet or workbook. Although some of the private coaching institution also providing their mock test paper, their team has prepared the mock test paper. You can, if you have time, if you want to do more and more practice, please follow the mock test paper released by the different private coaching institution. Some of the private coaching institution are providing paid mock test paper, or some of them are providing free. So you have to depend and you need to take that decision. But my suggestion to you, practice more and more. Easily you can crack foundation, inter and final this term examination. Okay. And what will be the, you can say that, strategy for writing theory in the main exam? If the mark of exam 2 or 3 mark, you need not to write long answer, to the point, crux. Okay, do not worry, you will get full mark, to the point and crux answer for 2 or 3 mark question. And medium answer or average answer for 5 mark. Okay, you need not to write long answer for 5 mark. Believe me, to the point, crux answers. Okay, for example, for law case study basis question, you have to write your reference, your statutory provision, and then concluding, finished, khatam. This is the answer of your 5 mark theory question. Okay, and the third important point is that if you are giving group 1, my suggestion to you, make 2 subjects strong in which you need to score at least 60 mark. If you do the follow the strategy, easily you can crack the examination. If you are giving both group 3 to 4 subject, at least you have a good command in which you will score 60 or more than 60 marks, so that easily you can crack both group. If you are giving both group, so 3 to 4 subjects 60 plus, or if you are giving single group, 2 subject is more than sufficient to score 60 plus. In the remaining, if you even though score 40 mark, easily you can crack the examination. Please follow and understand the strategy. Easily you can crack this term of examination. And now the fourth point is that if you are a foundation student, my suggestion to you, foundation student should try to give exam in laptop or desktop, whichever mode is available as of now. Reason is that foundation exam is home based. So but if any student want to give from mobile, so you can give, but I will always prefer to desktop or laptop. Okay, it will be more convenient. But if any candidate is yet did not have any desktop or laptop, so mobile is the option left for those foundation candidate. Okay, and inter and final student, try to choose your nearby location and please try to take the precautions, okay, so that COVID will not affect or reflect your family. And please, my humble request to you, practice more and more mock test paper. Okay, in your house you can make a decorum from, for example, you should give a one mock test paper for 3 interval 3 hour. Okay, in which you need to feel the feeling that you are giving main exam. Okay, follow the strategy, follow the mental piece, each and everything that you are giving the main exam. If you follow this, it will become or make you more stronger or more mentally stronger in main exam. Okay, and 6th point, please again see that if you yet left any topic, so please try to cover. But after September or in the beginning of October, if you left any topic, forget about, just focus on those topics, those lectures you have covered. Okay, just revise again and again. Do not think about I have left this topic. Okay, need not to worry about, just cover. Still in this time we have time. That is why I'm saying that please see if you left any topic, so complete those topics. But in the beginning of October, just forget if you left any topic and focus on those topics you have covered. Okay, please, I have also followed this strategy and easily crack my CMA examination. The 7th strategy is that And what will be the strategy whenever you receive main exam? Okay, whenever you receive main exam, try to complete your 60 to 80 mark to secure that at least any hard marking, at least 40 mark you can easily crack. And in the remaining two subject of group 1, you can easily crack 60 plus, or easily group clear your group. Or if you are giving both groups at least 3 to 4 subject, you will score 60 plus to clear your group, both group. Okay, so please understand that on whenever you receive your answer sheet, just try to complete 60 or 80 mark. Okay, spend your 10 minutes, to understand the whole paper. Okay, on top priority which question you are going to attempt. Okay, on first priority. The eighth is that, and if any student who has already applied for single group and now in October the candidate is giving for both group, so you can take the classes. But those who have already practiced for already in their mind they are going with the both group, or they are going only single group. So my suggestion to you, now there is no time for fast track classes. Okay, you have to revise whatever you have studied again and again. Revise 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. More time you revision, more chances and more opportunity that you can easily crack your examination. Okay, no fast track. If you want to see marathon video, so easily you can watch 2 or 3 days, you can easily crack the complete your marathon videos. Okay, but no fast track classes you need to take. And if you are asking me now in a one-liner sentence, meditation to clear your examination, syllabus 2016 past year paper, practice more and more, MCQ booklet, workbook, mock test paper, model test paper. And if you want, if you have any time, so you can also follow private coaching if they are providing mock test paper. Okay, some are providing free, some are providing paid charges of mock test paper. So you need to take that decision. But one-liner answer of meditation to clear your September foundation and October inter and final examination. Practice more and more mock test paper, model test paper, MCQ booklet, workbook, and syllabus 2016 past year paper. Easily you can crack foundation, inter, and final examination. Okay. Now the 10th or last strategy is that, suppose if you are thinking that in your main exam this exam will be a tough one, so this the exam will not be a tough one. Okay, but if you're if you're in your mind you are thinking that this exam will be a tough one, so my suggestion to you that on top priority complete 60 to 80, so that if this exam is tough for you, 40 mark you will score in this exam anyhow, and in the other remaining subject you will score 60 plus, and easily you can crack the examination. Okay, so if you're facing that exam will be tough one, so on top priority complete those questions in which you are command. Okay, at least try to 60 to 80 so that you can easily crack your examination. Okay, and if in the main exam you are facing problem with the keyboard or any technical problem, do not waste your single minute. Immediately connect with the invigilator or proctor and tell the problem. If you are facing problem in keyboard, they will immediately change. Okay, this is the responsibility of invigilator and center. You need not to bear any kind of problem. Okay, immediately say please change this keyboard. Or if you are facing technical problem, immediately connect with the proctor or invigilator. Okay, and please take care of your health. Okay, if you are studying 16 hours, 17 hours, so please understand that I have also observed the same thing in the past. Many studied 16 hours, 17 hours, and they did not care about the health, and before starting the examination they their health is not well, and in some of the examples they even though did not appear in the examination. So please also take care of your health. So this is all the preparation strategy as of now for upcoming foundation September 2021 exam and inter and final October 2021 examination. If any candidate need any clarification or need any guidance, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you, and I will also bring such kind of motivational or preparation strategy and all kind of update and all kind of good news for every CMA student. Okay, still you have any doubt or clarification, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. So from my side guys, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.